Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here, 3:50 p.m. Central Time on Wednesday, April 29th, 2015. And I've got you over here on Volcano Discovery. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below to the USGS webcams as well. But you can see up here in this thermal picture here, the lava lake around Kilauea, specifically inside of the crater, has now overflowed. And we were waiting to see what was going to happen. It has been rising and rising. Locals have been coming in around Hawaii. This hasn't happened before at this lava lake in particular. They've never seen this before. It's rised, and now it's come over its banks and spilled out over the edge. So I just wanted to put this at the front end of the video. Watch the animations following this. You can see the rise happening, and now it's filling up the greater crater. Never seen anything like this before myself, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Cheers.